What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the skin fade with the beard. So here I'm starting off my guideline right at the corner of the temple because we're going to be doing it semi-high. So make sure that when you do the line across the head that the line comes out even. So now we're going into the half, about an inch we're taking it up. After the half, we're jumping to the 1/8 and following across that half line as well, taking it up about half an inch. So now I'm bringing it down to the 1, and what we're going to be doing here is blending from the 1/8 down to the 0 to erase that line. And now I'm jumping to the 3/0 so that I can try to start blending that guideline I made. So what we're doing here is that we started blending from bottom to top, and then from top to bottom. And now I'm grabbing my Ulster Topaz, blending from the half, bringing the lever all the way down to 0 until I erase that guideline that I made. Once you finish blending this part where you see the dark area of the hair on the top, it's going to be easier for the blend to flow in with the rest of the blend. Now here I'm grabbing my number 2, bringing the bulk down from that darkness, making it smooth so that I can start blending. Now I'm grabbing my number 1.5 and I'm doing the same thing, bringing down that bulk until it blends. Now I'm grabbing my 1/8 so that I can continue blending so everything looks smooth. Here I grabbed my Topaz and I hit it with a 3 against the grain to make it smoother. I see that it's a bit bulky right there, so I gotta bring that down so it looks more smoother on the blend. Now I added the guard number 2 and blending it down to get it as smooth as I can get it. Repeating the same process, just bringing it down to number 1, making my way down all the way. When I use the Ulster 76, I like to use a secondary machine, which is the Ulster Topaz. Here I'm just cleaning the bottom hair with a 5/0. You can use the TI liner to do this as well. Now to make it skin, I hit it with the Gold Babyliss Boulder. Now you guys can see that it looks blended. But here I'm just hitting it with the GTX, any little corners that I miss, now off to the beer, blending up the beer with the half down to the 0. This is such a great machine. This machine can blend all types of hairs. I recommend any new barbers that's starting to get this machine. It's a Goodinvestment. It only costs $70. You could buy it at any local supply store. That's the final product, and that's how you do a skin fade and a beard. If you guys liked it, you guys can tune in into my videos, turn on the notifications, and watch for more. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys soon again.